Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can autoplay your video when you have complete your previous video, and it will autoplay your video to the next or repeat it. How you can enable this feature. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First go to this icon U, select this settings, and here it is a autoplay. Then you have to click on this icon, you can see this, and press back. You have to click on this, just play any of this music like this.
डाउनलोड कीजिए गूगल पे और जब चाहे फैमिली में किसी का भी मोह।
You can see it will automatically playing the another music by not tapping on cancel. You can see when I just go to the end like this, you can see this. You can see without clicking on cancel, it will click on another song. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.